Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and we are here to break down the moves that mattered today. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your source for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let us get right into it. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise is the big story today. Shares surged after the company delivered a massive earnings beat for its second quarter, with revenue jumping 40% year over year to over $10 billion. Investors are clearly rewarding the company's pivot to AI, as its cloud and AI revenue climbed 23%, and the server business grew even faster. It is being viewed less as a traditional hardware vendor and more as a key player in the AI infrastructure build-out. NVDA is also in the spotlight, moving up nearly 4% today. The catalyst here is the company's major showcase at the Computex conference in Taipei, where CEO Jensen Huang unveiled the new RTX Spark superchip. This moves NVIDIA directly into the AI-enabled PC market in a big way, with support from partners like Microsoft. Finally, NBIS Group saw significant interest today, climbing after the CEO of NVIDIA publicly praised the company's rapid growth during his keynote. That endorsement, paired with ongoing institutional interest, has kept this one on the radar for momentum traders. Looking at the broader market, stocks were largely driven by tech sector optimism as investors digested the latest hardware and infrastructure updates. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq spent most of the session in positive territory, supported by the rally in AI-linked names. Broadly, market breadth was healthy, with the software sector finally showing signs of a durable recovery. Microsoft, for instance, broke above its 200-day moving average, a technical milestone that has many analysts calling for a potential software comeback after a long period of underperformance. In the AI economy, the theme of the day is infrastructure and integration. We are seeing a shift from just building the chips to putting that power into the hands of the end user. The push into AI PCs with new superchips is a clear attempt to bring agentic AI directly to the desktop. Meanwhile, the private side of the AI world remains red hot, with companies like Anthropic continuing to attract massive funding and scaling their enterprise partnerships with major firms like PwC and KPMG. It is a clear signal that enterprise adoption is moving past the experimental phase and into large-scale deployment. Turning to stocks in focus, beyond our heavy hitters, we saw notable movement in other areas. Salesforce and ServiceNow both rallied today, continuing a strong multi-day trend as the software sector catches a bid. On the flip side, some semiconductor peers like AMD faced pressure as investors weighed the competitive landscape following the latest product announcements from NVIDIA. We had a busy day for earnings as well. Besides the blowout numbers from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, we saw CRDO Technology Group report its fourth quarter results, showing revenue that more than tripled for the fiscal year, though the stock saw some volatility after the print. Freedom Holding Corp also reported fiscal year results, showing strong growth in both its banking and brokerage segments. Science Applications International Corporation also delivered a strong beat, with revenue and earnings topping estimates, leading to a double-digit jump in the share price as the company raised its full-year guidance. That is it for today's market action. We covered the massive earnings reaction in Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, the AI-driven rally in NVIDIA, and the broader software sector's technical breakout. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below if there is a specific stock or sector you want us to cover. For stock recommendations, visit fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you tomorrow.